Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are all very fine, staying home in this pandemic situation. Now, I am going to teach you your first approach in your English book, The Jackal and the Rooster. Dear students, have you seen a jackal? Some of you have seen a jackal, but you have all seen a rooster. Can you tell what do a rooster do in the morning when the sun rises? Before you get up from bed, what do the rooster do? The roosters sing song. The roosters sing song, and you get up from bed. It is also a story about a rooster and a jackal. Look at your book, SGP1. There was a very big and handsome rooster. He looked like a king with its beautiful red crown. There was a very big and handsome rooster. He looked like a king with its beautiful red crown. What was the rooster like? The rooster was very big and handsome. He looked like a king with its beautiful red crown. You have seen there was a red crown on the head of the rooster. The rooster was indeed very big and looks like very handsome. So in the first line and second line, it describes the shape and size, the appearance of the rooster. If I ask you the question, what was the rooster like? You can say the rooster was very big and handsome. He looked like a king with its beautiful red crown. Okay? Then come to the next line. He also felt like a king. What did he feel like? He also felt like a king. The rooster also felt like a king. And he got up very early in the morning and sat on a high place and sang song non-stop. Cuckoo doodle doo, cuckoo doodle doo. He got up very early in the morning. ସେ ବହୁତ ସକାଳ ନିଦରୁ ଉଠି ପଡ଼େ and sat on a high place and sang non-stop. Cuckoo doodle doo. What did the rooster do very early in the morning? The answer will be he got up very early in the morning and sat on a high place. ଉଚ୍ଚ ସ୍ଥାନରେ ବସେ and sang song. ଗୀତ ଗାଏ non-stop. Cuckoo doodle doo, cuckoo doodle doo. He knew that his song was much better than the songs of the other roosters in his locality. He knew. He was very clever and he knew. ସେ ଜାଣିଥିଲା କ'ଣ ଜାଣିଥିଲା ନା that his song was much better than the songs of the other roosters in the locality. से जानिथिला जे तार गीतटा बहुत बेसी भलो थिला, बेटर थिला कहा अपेक्षा ना the songs of the other roosters, अन्य रूस्टर मानकर सॉन्ग थारू बहुत भलो थिला in his locality, तार अंचल रे, ता अंचल रे जते सब रूस्टर बास करंती तांको सॉन्ग अपेक्षा यार सॉन्ग मच बेटर थिला. What did the rooster know? The rooster knew that his song was much better than the songs of the other roosters in his locality. Okay? Understood this point? Now come to the next line. But he wanted to make his song still better, louder and clearer. He was not satisfied with his better song, so he wanted to make his song more better. And he wanted to make his song still better, louder and clear. And he wanted to be a special rooster in his locality. So he always tried to make his song still better, louder and clearer. If I ask you, what did the rooster want to do? You can answer, he wanted to make his song still better, louder and clearer. But how to do this was his problem. What was his problem? His problem was how he could do his song much better, louder and clearer. This was his problem. And this problem was continued till a jackal suggested a way out. It was a problem till ए प्रॉब्लम टा केते पर्यंत थिला ना जते पर्यंत गुटे जैकेल आसिकी ताकू परामर्श देई नथिला, कोनोसी उपाय बाहर कर दे नथिला जे एही उपाय रे तोर गीत सुंदर हेबो. Then come to this second point. The jackal saw the rooster singing every day. Jackal देखिला rooster टा गीत गाउछि प्रतिदिन, early in the morning, सहळ सहळ सकाळे. But it sang, keeping his eyes open. किंतु से गीत गाउथला keeping रखी his eyes, तार आखि गुडी को ओपन खुला रखी गीत गाउथला. The rooster, what did the rooster see? The rooster saw the rooster singing every day early in the morning. But he also saw that it sang से गीत गाउथला keeping his eyes open, तार आखि खुला रखी गीत गाउथला. If he would try to catch the rooster would fly away to the tree. He thought, the jackal thought, if he would try, जदि से चेष्टा करि थांता to catch the rooster को धरिबा पई, the rooster would fly. ए रूस्टर निश्चित भारे उड़ी पड़े जाई थांता एवे दूर को टू द ट्री, गछ को गछ ऊपर उड़ी जाई थांता. हाउ डिड ही नो इट? से किपरि हा जानिला ना दिस वाज व्हाट हैपेंड. एहा दिने घटी थिला द अदर डे, अन्य दिन रे. व्हेन जते बेले की ही ट्राइड टू कैच द रूस्टर, जते बेले से चेष्टा करिथिला अन्य एक रूस्टर को धरिबा पई, तते बेले एई भलिया घटना घटी थिला. दिस वाज व्हाट हैपेंड. एहा थिला जहा घटी थिला द अदर डे, अन्य दिन रे. व्हेन ही ट्राइड टू कैच ए रूस्टर, जते बेले कि से चेष्टा करथिला धरिया पई गुटे रूस्टर को. सो द रूस्टर हैड ए पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस. If he would tried to catch the rooster would fly away to the tree, and he could not catch that rooster. So he came to the rooster and said, so he came to the rooster, came नियर द रूस्टर रूस्टर पाखक आसिला एवं कहिला ओ ग्रेट हैंडसम एंड किंग लाइक रूस्टर हे महान सुंदर एवं राजा भଳି देखा जाउथुवा तुमे रूस्टर व्हाई डिड ही से सो से एपरि काहे कहिला टू फ्लैटर टू इंस्पायर द रूस्टर to flatter the rooster. So he appreciated his quality and appearance and said, "Oh, great, handsome, and king-like rooster, your song will be really nice." तुमर गीत निश्चित भाव में सुंदर हो जिवो. If you sing, जदि तुम गीत गाइबो, closing your eyes, तुमर आखिटा को बंद करी जो तुम गीत गाइबो, तेबे तुम निश्चित भाव में तुमर गीतटा सुंदर हेई पारिबो. If you sing closing your eyes, जदि तुमे गाइबो बंद करी तुमर आखि. सेमिति कि वाक्य तुमे कहि पारिबो. If you run closing your eyes, if you drink tea sitting on a chair, like this, जदि तुमे गाइबो बंद रखी तुमर आखि. सेमती मध्य आमे अनेक वाक्य तैयारी करि परिबा. एही विषय रो क्वेश्चन आंसर सह तमे सब तार अर्थ भल भाव बुझी पारलो. वर्तमान आमे सब कॉम्प्रिहेंशन क्वेश्चन निश्चित भाव में आंसर करि परिबा. नाउ let us answer all the comprehension questions. Who are there in the story? There are a rooster and a jackal in the story. Okay. Then what was the rooster like? The rooster was very big, handsome, looked like a king with its beautiful red crown. Then what did it do early in the morning? It got up very early in the morning and sat on a high place and sang non-stop cuckoo doodle doo, cuckoo doodle doo. Okay. Then next question, come to the next question. What did it know? से कौन जानी थिला? He knew that his song was much better than the songs of the other rooster in his locality. Okay. Then question number 5. Is it true that the rooster's song was better than the songs of other roosters? Yes, it is true that the songs of the roosters was better than the songs of the other roosters in his locality. Then come to number 6. What did it want its song to be? से कौन चाहूला तार सॉन्ग गीत को करिबा पई. It wanted its song to be much better, clearer and louder. Right? Okay. Now come to the next question. Did it know how to do this? से जानि थला कि हा किपरि करा जिवो. No, it did not know how to do this, and it was a problem for him till a jackal suggested a way out. Right? Yes. Then come to the next question. The jackal thought the rooster would fly away if it tried to catch it. Why? The jackal thought the rooster would fly away. Jackal भाबिला rooster निश्चित भाव में उड़ी पड़े जिवो. If जदि it tried to catch it, जदि से चेष्टा करिवो ताको धरिबा पई. काहे कि because it was his past experience. One day when he tried to catch a rooster, the rooster flew away to the high place. Then next, did the jackal have similar experience before? Yes, the jackal had a similar experience before. Question number 10. What did the jackal suggested the rooster to make its song better? The jackal came to the rooster and suggested him to make its song better. If he is seeing closing his eyes, then his song will be more better, clearer and louder. Will the rooster close his eyes and sing? Can you guess? Will the rooster close its eyes and sing? Yes. Then the rooster will close his eyes and sing because he wanted to make his song more better, louder and clearer. It always tried to do this and to be a special rooster in his locality. Then what will happen? We will know in the next SGP. Now you have write down all the question answers in your khata, and if there is any doubt you can ask me. Okay, thank you.